What do you think? Should we get to work?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Stop screwing around with the camera and
Yeah, let's do some insulation.
get something done, huh?
Yeah. I'm ready. You ready, Em?
What you got?
A vanilla cappuccino.
Ah. Kids drinking cappuccino already.
Is it a hot cocoa or a cappuccino?
It's a cappuccino.
Weird.
Cut it the wrong way this time. I don't know, it might have been a little easier, actually. I think it was. Okay, there's your first one, Em.
What's your favorite part about doing insulation, Emily?
Stapling it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Installation.
Installation?
Yeah.
Maybe insulation. You're installing insulation.
I kind of like installation better.
So look. Insulation.
Installation. Installation.
I like the way Emily says it better. I don't know. What about you guys? Installation.
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 My head.
Your favorite part of insulation?
Probably the ending.
Yeah.
Finishing it, that's my favorite part.
You don't like that it makes you warm?
Yeah. That's the ending. When it's all off, it makes you warm. It's finished. It's not that bad, I guess. I don't like drywall, so this is better than doing drywall.
We're about to be doing drywall next.
I know. I like the result of drywall. I don't like mudding drywall, sanding drywall.
They say once you get to the drywall, you're halfway done. That's what they say.
That would be good.
So this is video number 5. Video 5 in this video series. Hey, we got 5 more left. So maybe this is a 10-part series.
Yeah?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah. We'll do that.
We're gonna leave this end open right here, because that's our clean out for our main run that goes out of the house. So we're gonna have a little open spot. If we ever need to get in there, we can take the panel and drywall down.
Oh wow. Looks good. Yeah.
Look at that piece you made. That's awesome. Did a good job on that. Let's see if it fits.
Ooh. It's in there pretty good.
Yeah, pretty nice. We'll make a carpenter out of you yet. Well, what do you think?
I think it's beautiful. Look at it. Isn't that nice? She did a wonderful job.
So I guess we're gonna have to start doing some drywall, huh?
Yep, it's all in the truck.
It's all in the truck.
So we gotta carry it over.
Oh, that's gonna suck.
Do we make it this way or this way?
We're gonna go 8 foot, 4 foot wide, 8 foot tall.
Okay.
Just to stand them up is easier. In the next episode, we'll be doing some drywall and hopefully some appliance connections. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe.